Test 1 2. Testing my audio. Testing my audio. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Figured I'd stream a little bit until Casey starts. And then I'll probably like wait till after the pre-stream and then stream some more. I don't know. Okay. All right, so we're running. That's good. What is the state of the source code? Are we compiling? We're compiling. That's good. All right, so why are we frozen? Maybe we're not running. Assertion failed. What are you asserting? Hold on. I've like swapped all of the humbuggery stuff out of my mind. Cat build. Debug redump. Interpreter exec console complete. What the crap? First off, GDB shouldn't even be running because I just started it. Maybe that's what's going on. Or maybe, I don't know. Start. Run. Okay. I have no idea what that assertion was. What the deal is with that. I'm going to assume it was something to do with the reloading. It happened right after I compiled. Let's try that again. Run. So you're fresh. GDB isn't running. Let's go and let's compile. And the assertion failed. Okay, so that was it. Same thing. Console so why are we calling stuff? Why are we calling out to GDB when it's not even running? Interpreter exec. Complete. We're trying to get some completions? Why are we trying to get completions? I don't understand why IamGUI is calling us for completions. But it is easy because we'll just do an if. So if we are not running, I mean, that's actually good logic anyway. My context GDB is running. So if where are we at? If my context GDB is running, come on, what's wrong? What the crap for, coder? This is new. This should totally be like on that indentation level. Is it because I'm in a switch statement? Yeah, maybe. Or is it because I'm in this callback bullshit? Yes, that's what's going on. Alright, so forcoder doesn't know how to handle this case where we are inside of a lambda. That's okay. I will not hold it against you. I'm going to move on because I don't really care. Wonder how to fix that. Other question is, should I even bring it up to Alan as like a thing to talk about? Because he's like probably super busy anyway. Whatever, I don't care. Can I do an else here? So does that. Okay. Okay, so if GDB is running, we're going to go ask it for completions. I sound sad. Sorry, don't mean to be depressing. Do we want to do anything? If we don't have completions. Where is my, like, just dump to console command? I do believe that I have one of those. Oh, up here. Buffer append. That's what it is. Buffer append. Could not get completions because GDB is not running. Exclamation point. New line. Okay. Run. Blah, blah, blah. Nice. Alright, also, if we reload our source code, are we crashing now? No. Nice. Okay. So let's get source code browsing working. So I think we need the idea of like So if we have editor FD. All right, so I think I want to pull this out into a thing. So editor FD. think what we want here is like view, open view to source code. Okay. And we're going to have file name. And we're going to have line number. All right. And car star, file name. Int, line number. And inside of that, we are, oh, we need a my context. Test context, my context. Okay, so we want that in there. Bam, and we have pulled that out. Void. Still compiling? No. Right. Line number. File name. Okay. Are you running? Okay. We're running. All right, so I guess we want a source code window. So let's put that over here. I think that's all we need for a window. Source code. Nice. We've got our source code. Good deal. else. My context. Well, I'm just going to put a global variable here. Just because I don't know. Just because I don't know what else to do right now. Char star. Current. Well, current file. So local code view file name. Local code view line number. Stern copy the crap out of that. And that'll be local code view, file name, size of, local, blah, blah, blah. Okay, nice. And local code view line number equals line number. Right. So I need to display this in my code view. So let's do a mgui text file name %d file number. I'll just do this for now. I don't even think the new line does anything, so I'm just gonna leave it off. There we go. Grab that guy and local that guy. Get rid of those. Compile. Do you run file name 0? Okay. Nice. Oop. All right. Okay. That looks pretty good. So now what we need to do is we need to actually render some lines in the file. So if I wanted to just go ahead and read the entire file every frame, then what would that look like? Just to kind of do something simple. So int I guess I want to use Stream.io for this. Fopen local code view file name. I'm just gonna do auto. What to file or F. Open it up for reading. Assert F. No, that's a bad idea. If F. Close. Is it F close? I think it's F close. Man. Oh. Yes, it is F close. Okay. Let's get some strings, man. Man, F gets. How does this thing work? Size of blah, blah, blah. Okay. So we have a line buffer. So let's do star return line buffer. Because if anybody has more than 1024 lines, characters in a line, they're crazy. I'm just kidding. It's probably, I don't know. That is pretty crazy. Whatever. Sure, it'll happen with some kind of generated code, but I don't care right now. So, let's see here. What does this return? Returns null on error. So I guess I want to do while F gets. Line buffer, size of, line buffer, F, imgui, text, ooh, I got one. Let's do, what happens if it runs out of space in line buffer? It reads that in at most one less than size character from stream and stores it into buffer. How do we know if it's full or not, bud? How do we know if we should increment the line number? I have a feeling like it's going to do the wrong thing to do. This is all bad code. Issues. Line numbers will be wrong if we overflow the buffer. If F gets runs out of buffer space. don't really care. Really care. Just simplest things right now. All bad all the time. Best way to start. Yes, exactly. All right. So I'm going to keep an idea of what line I'm at. So int current line number, set that to 0. And actually, that doesn't really make sense because most of the time line numbers start at 1. So we're going to do current line number plus plus. %d here. And colon, and then line. And so we're going to do current line number and line buffer. Is that working? Oh my god, it's so working. Why are you like going over here now? Oh my gosh, I'm gooey. You've got. Oh my. Is this like. Am I triggering some sort of event when I go here? Alright, that's gonna annoy me. We gotta fix that. Alright. Reloadable. I believe that's probably some crazy. If item hovered. Okay. How do we figure out if our window is active? Actually, I think what we want to do is we want to do this. If that and that, then we raise focus. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Why is that even a warning? Is it because so many people don't know order of operations? I just don't understand why it picks that to complain about versus like, you know, any sort of like math. You know, I don't know. Is there something special about Booleans that make it different? All right. Nice. All right, so what do I want now? Do I want some sort of indication as to what line it is? So let's do I guess we'll have a prefix buffer. Oh, come on. Where am I? Line number. Okay. So let's have a prefix buffer. Char prefix. And we'll just like make it like 4 characters for now. Equals. Is that gonna fail out on me? Oh, null character. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then we do prefix here. %s prefix set building. We should have like space in front of lines now, yes. Also, we need a space here. All right. So if line number is equal to, no, what am I doing? Current line number. If current line number is equal to local code view line number, then prefix 0 is going to be, you know, let's just do like an arrow. Okay, that'll signify what line we're at. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? Line 34. That totally should be right here. Let's do an else. Else equals question mark. Okay, so that's, it's working, but why isn't like line 9? Why isn't that hitting there? Oh, you know, I'm an idiot. I'm totally an idiot. All right. Let's put that. We got to put it in the loop, guys. Oh, there it is. Okay, so that worked. All right, so let's get rid of that question mark. Let's get rid of this else case here. And we've got source code position now. Awesome. Should I make that line like yellow or something? Maybe that would be cool. I don't know. Well, okay, let's experiment. imgui. imgui.h. Color. I am color. Pops push style. Push style, pop style. Maybe this is what I want. Okay, so if that, then I want to do an IM GUI push style color. GUI color call a color identifier for styling. Okay, that's fine. Can you tell me what the enums are? There we are. All right. Text. No, text background, window background. Let's try window background. Maybe. I don't know. It's like a lot of, I'm not sure. I'm GUI call background. I am for Vec. Okay, so hopefully, so once it wants a reference. Okay, I hope this means I can do this. Like what? By the way, what is IM4Vec? Is it like floats? I am Vec4. What are you? You have a constructor. That's interesting. Well, okay. Anyway, it's floats. So I'm assuming we go to 0 to 1. So if we do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, we should be all white. Let's try that. 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes. Okay, and then I guess we want to pop the style as well. Boop, boop, boop. All right. What do we got here? Did you mean? Yes, I did mean that. Oh no. And we compile. All right. Okay, did not do a thing. Okay. That's okay because I feel like we just haven't figured this out yet. So I'm just going to put text for now, just to make sure that we are actually putting something. Oh, and we got to change it to like some odd color. Like, let's just try that. Okay. Okay, so that worked. How do you do background of text? Is that text selected background? Oh! Frame BG. Text input. I don't want to do text input though. I've got text. Border. What does border do? Border. ImGUI border. Nothing. Does absolutely nothing. Border shadow. Nothing. Okay, so do I like have to create some sort of border or shadow? Or did I try frame BG? Let's try frame BG. Nope. Okay. Okay, so I'm assuming that I have to like construct a frame or something. So once upon a frame. In the land far away. Once upon a frame. New frame. I think this is talking about not a frame. Begin child frame, end child frame. I just want it to be like automatic. Text. Text colored. Text colored V. Text wrapped. Text unformatted. What is the difference between a label and text? Okay, I think the best way to do this is just go to the examples and find something that we like. Colored text. highlighted text. I want to highlight some text, man. Highlight. Alright, go to Google. Google knows my answers. MGUI, highlight, text. Okay, MGUI text color. Background. Bet Fiery Drake doesn't have this problem, because he just makes his own use GUI. Oh, Handmade Hero went live. Alright. I guess I'll stop streaming. And then I'll start streaming after he's done. I might start after the the pre-stream. I don't know. So